Hi everyone, this is SewingforHobby, and I'm back with a organizing of my bead collection that's gotten out of hand. So I decided to get busy and start organizing my beads into these special containers that I had saved from other previous projects. These are, I believe, a small 3 or 4 millimeter gold 3 or 4 millimeter beads. As you can see, these are seed beads. I use them for necklaces mainly, and look how small they are. I always use these in projects and stuff, so it's like, well, might as well just use it. I organized the bag into this one, so let's do another one. I can use this one. Just open up the box. And pour it in there. We can make it easier to get rid of these tubes. I don't like these tubes because it's so hard to open. That's why I have these plastic containers. You can just do it like this. Dump it, throw it out. This one, I believe, is this one. You see it close. There it is. And we can just close the lid and set that aside. There's that one and that one. I already have these black ones in here. So that's good for that. I got 2 of them. Now I have this big container. Maybe I should have used the big container for that one. I have another big container right here. This would be good. Let's open up this one. This one is this one if you want to see it. I'm just organizing my beads into these containers, and I think putting into your container is a better way to not lose anything. But if you put them in the bag, they fall out easier. But at least with this, you know, you can always save the information too by writing it down or just folding it up somehow and just placing it on the inside of the bead. Like that, and then just close it if it fits. It fits. You set the trash aside. Let's see. I think I can fit one whole box in there. Try to save the box too. Sometimes the beads are quite small, so you want to be careful. There we go. I fit all the black beads in there. That's pretty cool. There we go. I spilled it's the pink one, so we put it back in here. There we go. I got all of them, I think. Bear with me as I do this. I know it could be tedious or fun or boring. But, you know, this is what I have to do, is maybe organize it somehow to get rid of the trash a little bit. Oh, these are the wrong ones. I have to wipe that out. Save this for another container. I think I'll put the brown one in there. Like I said, these things are really difficult to open. If you can't open up something like this, be very careful and see if you can open it with a scissor. Watch it go flying all over the place. Try to be careful. There we go. I did it without flying all over the place. That's a record. See, if you can't open it, use a pair of scissors and whatever. But all these beads cost a lot of money, and you don't want to lose it or waste it. That's why you can get a container like these, something small, big, to organize your beads in a better way. I didn't make too much of a mess, which is good. Now I had to call these beads 8.0s or 11.0s, I think, and re-tag the, remake the label. Alright, only a few more to do. Let's see. The trash aside. I can save one of these two things. I can probably throw away the rest. It makes it look really nice and easy, and you don't have to worry about it falling up, you know, or losing it. Whoa, that one went flying. Oh my god. Gotta clean it all up. Don't feel bad for me because this is a lot of fun. It's a pain, but it's a lot of fun. Well, I am back. It took 30 minutes for me to pick up everything, but here they are, all in here. And then I put the pink ones in here, the gold ones in here, and the other gold, and the brown, and the black. These are the only colors I got left. Gonna try to do some more, and then call it a day. And that's, I hope you guys like this little short video of how I'm organizing my beads. Anytime you see something like this, use your scissors, do it on the floor, and even though the floor is clean, you still want to be careful because it can go all over the place. And when I opened it, it went flying all over the place. Luckily, you know, everything's all picked up, and yeah, that's about it. So I have these 4 left to do, and I'm going to put them all in these containers, and I'll show you guys what that looks like when I'm done. Well, guys, this has been fun. I'm on the very last jar, and I'm going to pour it in now to the container. I didn't get any on the floor. No. Then here you have it. All my beads are nicely organized. We have some, there we go, got all of them out. Want to make sure everything's all out. And here they are. We have blue, purple, green, red, pink, orange, gold, black, and brown. And of course I have the trash right over there. All that into this. Ain't that neat? And then these are the leftover boxes I have left over from other projects. I have 3 left of these. I'll save them for something else. And then you can just put it into the box and put the labels on it later. And just try to organize it as best you can. I'll fix everything a little bit later on. There we go, that's inside the box. Time to clean up the mess. And there you have it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little organizing video. It's not the best in the world, but this is how I do it. Anyway, I am signing off, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.